Hello and welcome to Zimbabwe Media. In other stories, the Zimbabwean cabinet has approved draft laws that will allow President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who is 83 years old, to extend his term in office until at least 2030. Presidents will be chosen by MPs rather than in a direct vote and could serve a maximum of 2 7-year terms.
In detail, the bill provides as follows. Clause 1 provides for the title of the bill. Clause 2 repeals Section 92 of the Constitution and substitutes it with a parliamentary process for electing the president. It specifies that a candidate must secure a majority of votes, and if no one achieves an absolute majority, a runoff election will be held. The process is overseen by the Chief Justice or a designated judge to ensure it is conducted properly. These measures strengthen constitutional accountability by promoting fairness, openness, and judicial oversight in the election. The procedure for the election shall be in accordance with the standing rules and orders of Parliament. Clause 3, 7, and 8 amend Section 95, 143, and 158 of the Constitution in terms of the current 5-year term of office for the President and Parliament with a 7-year term. The objective of this reform is to reduce election-related disruptions, enhance policy continuity, allow sufficient time for the implementation of long-term national projects, and promote political and economic stability.